My name is Daniel Hines Ensminger, and I'm running for District Court Judge. Over the last several weeks, I've been working hard to talk with voters about who I am, what I believe, and how we can improve our court system here in Pitt County. I was born and raised right here in Pitt County, and I'm proud to say that I'm the only candidate in this race who was born and raised here in Pitt County. At an early age, I began working for my grandfather, George Hines, at the Dixie Queen Seafood Restaurant. While working in the restaurant business, I learned a lot about hard work and a lot about life. I attended Campbell University and obtained my undergraduate and law school degrees at Campbell. While I was in law school, I not only studied the law, but I also practiced law here in Pitt County for our local district attorney's office. During that time, I was able to prosecute cases for assaults, DWIs, and traffic violations, and I obtained many convictions. After law school, I worked in private practice for the law office of Richard Griffin. While working for Mr. Griffin, I learned about criminal law. I practiced criminal law, civil law, real estate, and wills. And in 2005, I started my own practice. While working for myself, I've learned a lot about what the practice of law is really about, and that's long hours and hard work. I've represented thousands of clients in the district and superior courts of Pitt County over the last decade. And if elected to serve as your district court judge, I'll bring that same work ethic to the district court bench. In addition to my practice, I'm also the husband to my wife Holly. We have 3 children together. She works as a public school teacher and teaches at A.G. Cox Middle School. And together, we want nothing more than Pitt County to be a safe place to raise our children, and for one day our children to raise their children here. As a father, I understand how important safety is to our communities. And as a district court judge, I will work to enforce the laws to keep our citizens safe. Additionally, as a lifelong resident of Pitt County, it would be an honor to serve you as district court judge. I understand that judges are servants of the people and are put there for the public good, not for their own benefit. I realize that each case is important, and it takes fairness and consistency in order for our laws to be properly enforced. I'm Daniel Hines Ensminger, asking for your support and your vote. Thank you.